LINTTOP, a subsidiary of Owner Group, is China's leading supplier of wire and cable equipment. Our extensive product range and unparalleled technical expertise make us the preferred choice for wire and cable production, testing, and auxiliary equipment. From power cables, LAN cables, optical cables, photovoltaic cables, submarine cables, to aerial bundled cables, we offer a wide array of equipment to meet your wire and cable production needs. From drawing, stranding, cabling, extruding, to packaging, LINTTOP supplies a complete range of power cable equipment. Wire drawing machines includes rod breakdown machines, intermediate wire drawing machines, fine wire drawing machines, and multi-wire drawing machines. Stranding machines include bunching machines, concentric stranding machines, rigid frame stranding machines, and planetary stranders. Cabling machines include cradle-type cabling machines, drum twisters, etc. Concentric stranding machines, rigid frame stranding machines, drum twisters are our products with great advantages. There are also popular power cable production equipment in recent years. They have advantages in ensuring cable quality and improving production efficiency. LINTTOP extruding machines cover all insulation and sheathing applications for wire and cable production. We have extensive experience in complex extruding machines such as high-speed extruding machines, continuous catenary vulcanization lines, etc. For packaging, LINTTOP supplies automatic coiling, binding, and shrinking machines, realizing automated packaging with higher efficiency and lower cost. In addition to power cable, we also supply communication cable equipment. For optical fiber cables, LINTTOP provides optical fiber coloring and rewinding lines, SD stranding lines, extruding machines, and FTTH drop cable extrusion lines. For LAN cables, LINTTOP provides first-class production equipment from wire drawing, annealing, preheating, and insulation tandem line, horizontal pair twisting machines with back twist, LAN cable cabling lines, braiding machines, sheathing extrusion lines, and packaging machines. Not only the production equipment mentioned above, LINTTOP also provides mature cable production technology and customized turnkey projects. We provide comprehensive services in terms of technical consultation, equipment configuration, process training, and after-sales maintenance. After 20 years of development, LINTTOP has successfully helped more than 1,000 wire and cable manufacturers complete equipment configuration and optimization. LINTTOP has established strict quality management systems in all aspects of production, inspection, transportation, commissioning, and after-sales service, and has entered a standardized, scientific, and intelligent modern enterprise management track. LINTTOP has the ability to continuously and stably provide partners with efficient, energy-saving, stable, and safe equipment and services.